So there is a separate installation which is called fueling station, petrol pump as we call in India, and you need to go there and get it filled, and that's where the dispensation and everything happens. Electricity is not that kind of a commodity. I think maybe never, I'll give you some reasons, and I hope this time I'm audible because I'm trying to be a little louder than I was. So I think there are two different things as when we compare charging infrastructure with the fueling infrastructure of the conventional fossil fuels like petrol and diesel. Petrol and diesel is a commodity which you cannot store at your home, in your office, in any other building. You need a safety precaution to be taken. So there is a separate installation which is called fueling station, petrol pump as we call in India, and you need to go there and get it filled, and that's where the dispensation and everything happens. Electricity is not that kind of a commodity. It is available pretty much everywhere, right? So as far as personal mobility is concerned, so whether it is my personal car, whether it is my personal two-wheeler or a personal bike or a cycle, I can jolly well charge it at my home, at my office. It can be charged in the basement of a mall or a public parking space. Everywhere. Electricity is everywhere. So, and the reason why I'm saying this is that, of course, electricity is available everywhere, and no matter how fast charging we talk about, the current generation of batteries and the current generation of chargers still have a limitation. So you can't really quick dispense electricity the way you can dispense quickly this petrol. You in a minute, in a couple of minutes, you can fill up a scooter tank. In less than 5 minutes, you can fill up a large car's tank. In 15-20 minutes, you can actually fill up a bus or a truck, right? And now imagine a scenario that everybody went to a petrol station to get their cars charged at a very, very fast rate. Also today you need 1 hour to 2 hours kind of scenario. Now you don't have that kind of a space. So both the problems are addressed in your other spaces, parking spaces, the examples which I gave, whether it is your home, apartments, whether it is your office buildings, whether it is malls, public parking, schools, everywhere, electricity is available. So this probably will never resemble from the design perspective. Having said that, there would be still public chargers, perhaps in the similar shape as petrol stations, for the vehicles which probably ply on highways, for example, right? So you need probably some places where you can take a break and recharge your vehicle. You give ample time for your vehicle to be charged, 40 minutes, 1 hour, etc. Kind of top up. Or they could also be a spot where one could really go and swap the batteries, if at all swapping. I'm not getting into the debate whether charging versus swapping, but if at all swapping happens, then these could be places where one could go and really go and swap the battery. So in my opinion, perhaps never we will have that kind of a thing, and it would depend on the density of vehicles. The charging infrastructure will continue to develop.